How to correct the perspective with Olympus cameras. Hi, I am Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. When making photos of high buildings, you usually have to tilt the camera upwards, and that makes the building look narrow at the top. That's because of the perspective. What if you could correct perspective so that the lines are straight in camera before making the image? With Olympus you can. It's called Keystone Comp, and it can be found in the menu. There is info in the description where to find that in each Olympus camera. When the keystone is turned on, you can correct the perspective vertically with the front dial and horizontal with the black dial. This is the case with the OMD EM1 Mark II. What's great about this is that you can see the effect in real time on the LCD and the viewfinder. As you can see here what it looks like. Very handy if you want to get this line straight without having to do so that in post. It's also a very handy tool if you are taking product shots. For example, a photo of a book cover can be straightened easily with Keystone. Some tips when using Keystone. Be sure to leave some room around the subject so that there is enough space to correct the perspective. It will crop the image a bit. If you want to use RAW and correct the perspective in post, Keystone is a great way of checking that the correction can fit in your composition. This was the second episode of my tutorials on using Olympus. After subscribing to my channel, be sure to watch the first episode on this series. It was about histogram and how it can help you to get the right exposure. Thanks for watching and bye for now!